Pure is an off-road trick racing game. It's set inside of an exaggerated reality. So we wanted to bring the tricks into the core of the racing experience. You do tricks in order to boost juice, which gets added to the thrill bar in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. It's the blue flame. Initially, you've only got the tricks available on the A button, 8 tricks on the A button, and then you can tweak each of those as well. So effectively, you've got 16. As you do more A tricks, though, you unlock the B button. B tricks yield more boost and more score. And then when you do a few more B tricks, a few more A tricks, then you can graduate to the Y tricks. The Y tricks produce even more boost and even more score. If you fill your entire boost bar, then you unlock special tricks. Now the special tricks are completely outlandish. We're trying to create an epic backdrop for our environments, and as you can see in this particular track, we can draw like 20 miles into the distance, so you can see mountain ranges in front of you. We really wanted to create a very realistic, organic looking environment. We wanted to cover the environment in a very lush looking grass, so it's like a volume of grass rather than just plains of grass like you've had before. One of the big features in Pure is the garage. We wanted to create a very visual interface for building quads from scratch. As you go through the Pure World Tour, which is the main game mode in Pure, most of the rewards are components and parts for your quad bike. So by the end of the Pure World Tour, you have so many components that with the permutations and combinations of those parts, you can build somewhere between 60,000 and 70,000 different quad bikes. So effectively online, no two bikes should ever be the same. One of the key features is that you've always got 16 bikes and riders on the track with you. So we wanted to represent that online as well. So we've got 16 players online, which is kind of double what we've done in our off-road racing games before. We felt it was a really important feature because it makes multiplayer racing a lot more intense and a lot more fun. The Pure World Tour, the main game mode, features 3 different event types. It features trick racing, which we've seen here, where it's a blend of tricks and racing. Tricks are the core. The tricks help you get over the finish line first. The second event type is sprint. Sprint tracks still have 16 riders on the track, but they're only 30-second lap times, and there are no multiple routes, so it gets pretty intense and pretty crowded out there. The last event type is freestyle, and we've tried to use a fairly non-traditional method for the freestyle. Instead of going for, say, 100,000 points or 200,000 points, the end objective is to get the maximum amount of points, but you have to trick in order to stay alive. So it's actually more like freestyle survival. Pure is out on Xbox 360, PlayStation 3 and PC in September this year.